This is not a usual video I make at this channel, but this topic has been in my mind for a long time, and I'm making this quick video to let it out there. And this is what I've realized. All of big YouTube business gurus, they help people coach other people to be a better coach who coaches other coaches. And it's not just there. It's since I'm living in Bali at the moment, I've been seeing this more often. So most of the people who are living in Bali are coaches who are coaching other coaches to teach how to coach other coaches. So it's like a pyramid scheme. And all of the big names you're seeing, the reason they're making videos is not just to teach you how to do what they're doing, it's just to get more money. And if you think about this, if someone is making money with their business, for example, take it myself, I make money by selling website. You should ask this question: why is this guy making videos instead of spending this time, putting the same time in his business so he can make more money? And I'm going to talk about myself in the end, but this is the truth. No one is going to take their time all of their life, and instead of spending this exact time is money. So this valuable time not spending in business, and they ended up making videos helping you for free. No one's going to do that, and I'm not doing for the same reason. I know having a personal brand is a big deal, and I started this channel as just to document my journey. How am I dealing with the business? How am I dealing with the emotions I'm going through? How am I getting clients? And slowly it ended up teaching you guys on how am I doing. And now I'm here in 2 years after starting my channel, which I'm really thankful that I'm here right now, making enough money so that I can travel for full time. But by the end of the day, if I'm not seeing any results, if I'm not getting any ROI, I'm not going to make videos on YouTube. Yes, everyone has this good thought process that they want to help others. Again, people are making money. People are making a lot more money from YouTube and coaching compared to the business they're doing. And this is what we have seen lots of other cases, like the infamous Iman Gadzi. So this is the guy even I used to watch when I didn't know that I can make money online until I saw his video on YouTube. Guess what? He made most of his money not by doing SMMA, but by selling the courses and selling his coaching services and selling his coaching software. And it has been debunked, and a guy just went all on like John Wick mode and went through all of his stuff, and he was actually showing how much money he made from his business and how much money he made from his coaching. Guess what? Most of his money is coming from coaching itself, not from the business. And for me, I'm gonna be totally honest with you. I'm making money with my business. I'm making anywhere from 16 to 20,000 a month with selling website with monthly recurring revenue. But the reason why I have my brand is, to be honest, I have my coaching link down in the description, but I only take 2 members a month because I have to deal with my own life, I have to deal with my business, and I have to deal with, I have to live my own life in Bali and chill. So the reason why I went into a monthly recurring revenue business model is that I want to be free. I don't want to be sitting down and dealing with the clients or dealing with the coaching members and telling lies to make money. Now I have enough clients who are paying me in monthly recurring revenue. Even if I don't do any outreach, I still make the same money. Even if I don't have any coaching members, I still make the same money. Even if I don't do affiliates. So that's another big thing which I wanted to explain. So all of your YouTubers who are pushing the Go High level, the reason why they are pushing Go High level is not just to make you money or help you to get more clients. If YouTubers who push the affiliate link, they get 40% off your Go High level subscription, which is around $118. So if it's the $300 subscription, if you are paying $300, he's going to get 40% off the cut. And that's the only reason everyone is pushing. And that's the reason I was pushing. I thought if I can sign up like these many people, I can get extra income. So you always think about diversifying your business and diversifying your income. And I stopped doing it because I didn't really want to feel like building someone else's business. So I'm just bringing in clients to another guy's business. I'm just getting commission from that. So I didn't like doing it. So I stopped doing it. And even when I was doing the best, I was barely getting $400 a month. That's all I made from the affiliate commission. And I only take 2 members a month. And even with that, the reason why I only take 2 members is that most of the YouTube gurus or coach you are seeing on YouTube, they end up closing lots of coaching clients. And trust me, if you have like 10 to 20 coaching members a month, you don't have any time for your own business. And if you have those many coaching members, trust me, you can't really concentrate on each and every person to get their actual results. And I can be proud of myself to say that I have been giving proper results to all of my coaching members. That's the only reason I'm only doing 2 coaching sessions, 2 coaching members a month, and 2 hours to 3 hours coaching sessions every single week until the guy gets his money. And yeah, I don't want to talk too much about this. I just wanted to put this out there. And if you're watching someone's video, always think that they have some other intention in their head. They're not just going to spend their time and money and energy just to make the video to help you. There's always something behind the video. And most of the video you're seeing in YouTube are bluff. It's just there to show you that it is possible and showing you the shiny stuff and just to lure in and to make money from you instead of showing you a business model which could actually help you to quit your job. And this is what I felt. And a couple of years ago, when I was not sure about what I'm doing but I wanted to make some money, I had like 3,500 pounds in my bank account, and I ended up booking a meeting with this guy. I paid 3,000 pounds. I only had 500 pounds in my bank account, rest of it. And I lost all those 3,000. I thought I was going to make money. I thought he was going to help me to get more clients. Guess what? He was a scammer. He didn't show, I mean, the fault was mine as well. He didn't show anything. He didn't have any client sales call. He didn't show himself doing the outreach, and he didn't even show himself building a website. He was just showing what he can help other people, and he was just closing the coaching members. So be safe. If you're thinking that all the guys online who are making videos are trying to help you, yes, some of them are, and some of the reason why they're making this video, maybe 20 to 30%, is the reason why they're making the videos to help you guys. But most of the time, if they're putting the time and energy, it's not for free. They could use that time and energy to make more money with the business. If they are not spending any time for their own business to make money, they're trying to make money from you. That's the truth. And again, the reason why I'm making this video is that it has been in my mind for a long time. And when you are making videos yourself, you can see lots of things happening on the back end. I have seen life coach, mindset coach, and like lots of other coaches. And I have a neighbor who is a life coach, and she doesn't like doing it. And she was dreading the fact that she has to hop on a call with this person and she has to help her, and she doesn't want to help this person, but she took her money. And trust me, there are lots of people like this who coach and make money and show the Bali lifestyle to lure more people in to make more money. So you have to be careful, whoever you're trusting. I'm not asking you to trust me. Don't trust anyone, including me. So watch all the things they are doing online and see if they're actually running their business, see if they're actually showing their results. And another thing is, most of the people you are seeing, they will show their Stripe account showing, I make this much money. Another thing is, people can actually buy the Stripe dashboard. People can actually buy the YouTube play buttons. And all of them are lying. All of them. If they're just showing the screen and showing the play button, like, oh, you can do this YouTube automation and make money, but you have to buy this course for 5,000 or 10,000. And that's another reason if I genuinely wanted to help people, and that's the only reason I don't charge 2,000 to 5,000. I have a affordable price point where people can actually invest in their business in the beginning of their journey, because most of the guys don't have any money to invest on their business. That's the only reason I do whatever I do. Is I need to look at myself by the end of the day in the mirror, and if I ended up scamming people, and trust me, that karma is going to get you by the end of the day, which has been happening a lot lately on YouTube. Most of the guys who are making hella money, but just by coaching other coaches who coach other coaches, they have been debunked. All of these lies are coming out. And I hope you got some value out of this video. I hope you're not going to be getting scammed. And I have literally saved some of my subscribers and some of my followers on Instagram. If you're not following me, give me a follow, Goutham.scales. I've literally saved them from most of the scammers I personally know. I know most of the guys who are doing this YouTube stuff to get more clients to their coaching instead of doing their actual business. And yeah, I don't want to talk too much about this topic. Be safe. Always think what they are getting out of this, if they are helping you. And yeah, I was also part of this. I was also pushing Go High Levels affiliate link to get the 40% recurring income, which sounds nice even now. But yeah, I'm not doing this anymore, but I'm still leaving the link if you actually want to use the software. But I'm not pushing the software anymore. I'm not pushing the coaching anymore because I don't really have that much time to run my own business and to live my life. And on the middle of this, I don't want to sit down and spend too much time helping other people. That's why two members a month. That's all I'm doing. And yes, I hope you got some value out of this video, and I hope you be safe from everyone and not to trust anyone, including me. And yeah, I will be making more of these kinds of videos talking about my point of view and my thought process, instead of just talking about the technical points. I'm also going to talk about what goes in your head of running these business, what you should be looking for, what you shouldn't be looking for, what to do and what not to do. And if you want to watch these kinds of videos, give me a subscribe and follow me on Instagram at Goutham.scales, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.